Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video we will talk about ESP32-CAM. There are a number of ways in which we can upload the code into ESP32-CAM. Okay. First way of uploading the code is to use any Arduino UNO regular module to upload the code. Okay. Use the UART interface of both the Arduino UNO and the ESP32-CAM. Okay. But before connecting the Arduino UNO to the ESP32-CAM, we will upload a blank sketch to the Arduino. So we will make sure that there is no code uploaded in the Arduino, and we'll open a blank sketch, and after that we will go to tools, we will select our port, we will select Arduino UNO. Okay, and after that we will select the port, that is COM8 in my case, and I will upload the sketch to the Arduino UNO. Okay, so the code has been uploaded to the Arduino UNO. Okay. So now we will connect the ESP32 with Arduino UNO to upload the code. Okay. So we will use few jumper wires. Okay, to verify that the wiring has properly connected, we will go to the Arduino again, and we will go to the Arduino IDE. We'll set the baud rate to 1150-200, and we'll make a reset from ESP32-CAM. So if we receive some message here like this one, it means that our wiring is correct. Okay. Now the next step is to put the ESP32-CAM in boot mode, so we could upload the code to the ESP32. So for that purpose, what we will do, we will make a jumper. We will connect the IO0 and the ground together. Okay, so this is the IO0, the third pin from here. So this is IO0. Okay, and we will connect the ground together. Okay, like this. So we have make a jumper between IO0 and IO ground. Okay, and we will make a reset again from ESP32-CAM. Okay, so if you see here, now it's showing that the ESP32-CAM is waiting for the download. So it means that the ESP32-CAM is in boot mode now. Okay, so you could upload the code directly to the ESP32. Okay, we will go to the tools. This time we will change the board to the ESP32 AI thinker. Okay, then we will go to sketch, we will go to examples, then from the ESP32 we will go to the camera, and we will open the camera web server example. Okay. So once the example has been opened, we will first provide the SSID and the password for the access point that we are using. Then we will provide the model of the camera that we are using. So in our case, we are using ESP32 camera model by AI Thinker. Okay, and we will upload the code. Okay, so once the code has been uploaded, you can take out the jumper that we created before iOS 0 and iOS 16, make a reset again, and you can see that it started connected with the Wi-Fi is connected. We will go to this IP address, so I will go to my Google, I will open this one. But before that, we will make sure that we are connecting with the same access point. So I will connect my laptop to the same access point. We will make a refresh. Here we go. So we'll start streaming, and here it is. Change the maybe the video quality. So here it is. So I hope you liked our. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you.